things first, welcome to this video. And if you're watching it on my channel, welcome to the channel. What's up? If you are not yet a friend, let's just have this discussion first. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and we can be friends. Problem solved. While you are there, might as well just click that thumbs up, show that a little bit of love. Promise you, you're gonna like what you see in today's video. We are doing a copper look. Obviously, copper. I mean, don't you just feel like copper be that shade? Copper is that shade that just was born to slay. It just slays. It doesn't matter if it's one shade of copper, two shades of copper, a light hint of copper. Copper is that shade that just won't do you wrong unless you do copper wrong. So we are going to do this look today. Enough of me babbling and talking about how awesome copper is. Let us jump into the details. Without further ado, if you guys are interested in seeing how to create this look, or if you want to hang out with me, keep on watching. Let the games begin, and let's get started. So to start things off, I'll be taking the shade Blazing. I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade Blazing all over in my crease. This is going to be our transition shade for today, so you just want to buff things out very well. I'm slowly going to be adding more and more color to build up the shade's intensity. We are also going to run the shade Blazing along this lower lash line so everything is cohesive and together. You want to make sure to connect the top and the bottom, so do not neglect the space right here. The next shade I'm taking is Amber. I'm going to go ahead and pack Amber on the outer corners and my inner corners. Amber is going to be like a deeper rust shade. So I'm just going to build up the intensity on the outside and the inside because we are going for a halo eye today. We are also running Amber along our lower lash line. What I do on the top, I tend to follow up with on the bottom, just so everything's, you know, cohesive and just put together well. Smooth transitions between the colors. So now I'm going to be taking the shade OUD. I'm going to be placing this shade again on the outer and inner portions, packing it on to build up intensity here in this region. This shade is kind of like a rusty plum shade. We are also taking that shade OUD on the bottom lash line. Just go ahead and create some more intensity down here. I live for like a berry toned or like a copper eye. So easy and flawless and fabulous, bruh. Next, I'll be taking the shade Blood Moon. So I'm just going to use the pad of my finger to pack this shade on, and I'm pressing it into the lid, kind of going to the front and the back, and then I'm also going to bring it up slightly. So now I'm just going to take my Dark Side waterproof eyeliner from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Just go ahead and line my waterline. So I'll be taking the darkest brown and the black shade from the Smoky Obsessions palette. So I'm just gonna go underneath my lashes and smoke out the bottom. And now I'm just going to go ahead and buff this out. So I'm gonna be taking the NYX Glitter Glue and my Russian Roulette Glitter from Makeup Addiction. So I'm first just going to pack on that glitter glue by NYX, and I'm just going to cover the parameter of where we placed that halo shade. Picking up that glitter, I'm just going to go ahead and place it down in the middle first and feather out those edges. Okay, you guys, so we're pretty much done with the eye portion for today's video, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner and my lashes off camera. But for eyelashes today, I will be using the Huda Beauty lashes in the style Sasha. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of these, and I will be right back. Hey, we are back, and I completely spaced out and I forgot to highlight. Okay, this brow bone's highlighted, but this one's not, so we need to get it together. I'm taking my Moonlighter by Black Moon Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Dragonfish, so I'm just gonna pop on a nice little highlight here. In instantly just like lifts the eye. I love highlighting the brow bone. So now let us resume into our scheduled programming. It's time to just, you know, finish up the rest of the face, do what we gotta do to like, yeah, we gotta finish things up. So the first thing I'm gonna do is bronze, and I have been really liking the mahogany shade from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So we're gonna take this shade, warm it on up. Just gonna, I really like this brush though. It's very soft. Man, you know when you're just like, I don't know if it's the lashes making my eyes water or my contacts, but something that's just not feeling right. Don't mess up this makeup. Do not. We don't have time for that today. So to go ahead and contour, I am going to be taking, you know, you guys know the dealio. This is the Joe Blasco, and I'm taking it in the shade Ebony, and we are going to chisel out some cheekbones because, you know, I don't have very prominent cheekbones, so I just feel like we're going to chisel it on out. If you guys have any contours that you use and you like and you know what works for a sister, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all be using, because I want to try some new stuff too, you know. So let a sis know. Let a sis know. I'm that person that, like, if it's working for me, I'm like, I'm good. I don't need to try anything else. But I also want to be the person that tries new products and just like falls in love and finds even more amazing products that does me right. Looking at my face, can you tell what is missing? We have to put some color back in, so you know what that means. We're gonna do some blush. So this is what we'll be using for blush today. This is like a soft corally pink. It is called Cora de Rosa from Sigma Beauty, and I'm just gonna put this on the cheeks for some color. Ooh, I'm liking this. Like, it's not like too pale, like it's just like a good amount of color. Okay, Cora de Rosa, see you boo, doing the darn thing on my face, looking nice. Okay, so taking things back just a little bit, so what I use to highlight my brow bone is exactly what I'm going to be using to just glow up my life a little bit, you know. That's exactly what I'm gonna be. Why can't I speak today? What is stopping me from saying all the words I need to say? So I will be taking the Moonlighter from Black Moon Cosmetics, and I'm taking the shade Dragonfish, and we are going to be living. Just pop, look at that, look at that baby. Oh, this shade kind of reminds me of Bronzed in the summer. What am I saying? The shade reminds me of Bronzed in the Sun Dipped Glow Kit from ABH. Like, what? Hitting it in all the right places. Ooh, 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 ooh. So for lips today, I am going to stay very monotone with the look. I am taking this orange shade. It's called Shot Color, because I'm calling all the shots today, people. But it is still in that coppery tone, you know, see it's like matching the eyes. It is a liquid lipstick from the company called Caked Makeup. So before I put this on though, I am going to line my lips with Chestnut from MAC, because that is my go-to. So we're just gonna take care of that first. Oh, this smells, oh my god, this smells so good. Oh, I just love it when my lip products smell just delicious. Okay guys, so to set my face in place, I usually use the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, but we're gonna change things up today. I recently received some products from Catrice Cosmetics, and they sent over a setting spray. It's called Prime and Fine. It prepares the skin, improves makeup wear, and refreshes complexion. It's a multi-talent fixing spray. So I am going to try it out for the first time today, and we will see. I want to see if I like it, you know, how it sprays and everything. Okay, let's just do it. Ooh, it smells good. It did spray out like a good amount with each pump. Like, my face got wet real quick, people. It was real set, real fast. Wow, my whole table is wet now. Good job, Safai. Didn't I tell you that copper was that shade? Isn't it just looking so good? And we didn't have to work so hard to get here. So So I want to thank you guys so much for joining me on today's video. I could not be happier with the way things turned out. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share this video, drop some comments down below. If you guys are interested in seeing me, you know, on other social media platforms, I do have a Snapchat and Instagram, and I do have a Twitter. Everything will be linked down below for you guys, along with all the products I used in today's video. And for those of you who are still here and watching this video and you are not yet subscribed, you know what, before I even go there, just go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. We could be friends. And if you are already subscribed, thank you so much, my love. You can go ahead and click that bell button. So this is all that I have for you guys today. I will see you beautiful and truly amazing people in my next video. But before I go, I know, you're ready for this to end already. Before I go, I'm gonna go ahead and play some videos right here for you. You can go ahead and, you already know the deal, YouTube and chill. Grab your blanket, grab your snacks, get comfortable, okay? And I hope you guys enjoy.